Now we are here online. Yes. Hi.
Hi.
This is me, Amal from Hairstyle. I have here with me
And from England.
from England. Yes. Now today we're going to show you a nice, lovely haircut. Short hair. They call it a pixie short hair. A very sexy, nice, lovely haircut. So as you see, we're going to part the hair in 4 parting. Yes, I'm going to show you. Now we're going to start to cut. This is the style we have. We're going to cut this one very, very short, nice and easy. And we're going to make movement here and a little bit here to the front. So I'm going to show you how to cut this here and easy and simple. We're going to start the first line. Very nice, lovely, easy, simple haircut. Yeah, and nice today. Very nice day today, huh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful weather here in Spain, and we are really happy to be here. Yes, so we're gonna cut a nice, lovely haircut. Easy and simple to cut the hair. Beautiful color here. She have a nice hair, natural hair, very attractive. A nice, lovely hair short style. It will be very beautiful. So very, very nice. Very easy style to manage for, so you don't need to do too much. Just style it with your own hand. So very nice. Very nice haircut.
Not really. No. We've got my daughter here from England, so.
Well, that's really nice. So this is the first line. I'm gonna take the second line. So we're gonna just close together, flush it. Nice, lovely, flush up, easy, and very simple. Everybody today have a daughter, all the mouse, almost like mom daily.
Just Sunday.
Now we're going to take this and then we're going to cut this one up first. Just easy and simple. Here, very, very nice. Happy? Everybody see now on the wall. This looks like very beautiful. So nothing special for today with your daughter? You got someone?
No, she's,
yeah?
I think the boys are playing golf.
Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, it's very nice weather to play golf. Look outside.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's really nice. It's really nice weather.
It does, doesn't it? It's the sunshine.
Sunshine, it's big sunshine. It's really nice, yeah. So now I'm gonna cut here.
Nu ziet de lengte, die lengte.
Lovely haircut.
Ja.
And very nice.
Ja, dat is zo sterk.
Make it easy and simple here. Very nice haircut. Beautiful. Lovely haircut. Easy and simple. Anyway, this side, so we make here nice and lovely.
Ja.
This side will be beautiful. This also
zeg je?
Moet je handen zo tegen de richting.
Hier ligt dat. Ja, ja.
Thuis.
Ja.
Of met de handen. Of met de handen.
Ja. Ja.
En dan kun je nog
En dat model. Ja, ja. Ja.
Kijk, dit op filtersap, dit kleur is wel mooi. Lichter.
Ja.
Dit is wel, het is toch wat dieper. Zo mooi.
Ja, zeker. Spannend.
Ja, gewoon even de richting op en terug. En dan doet u met deze. Ja,
I've got your spray.
Met de hand
Naar binnen. Ja, ja.
Ga door en achter.
Kijk, in ieder geval waar je
Sometimes I usually just dry it and then spray it, and then I use your comb.
altijd anders.
Ja.
You can wear it like that also. You can wear it this side, you see? And you can wear it that side. What is your favorite side?
Or it back.
Yeah, for back, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. What we're going to do now first, we're going to do the fringe. So, cutting the fringe is really important, especially with this kind of style, so we get it short. And we leave this side as long as we can. So we cut just a little bit here, and then ready style. And then now we're going to make it, style the hair, short hair, and easy and very simple. So putting just little bit spray in the hair. See, now we're gonna style the hair with hand, just with hand, easy and simple, yeah. Last finishing touch, and then we are ready. Nice fingers. Beautiful, right? This one for fun.
Yes.
Simple style.
Easy for me to do.
Exactly. You don't need to be sure to bake. Just 2 minutes.
Ja.
And
Dat heb ik op een slot bezig aan werk. Dat stoorde mij toen op. Ik denk, oh, de rest, dat gaat goed. Ja. Iets langer was.
Ja, inderdaad.
You see.
Ja, nu gaan we deze maar dit nog steeds kort maken. Dit is gewoon
Alles and you can use the spray for after, so you can put the spray in your hair and not finishing touch with the here, and then we are ready to show the star to everybody in the world. Yes, very nice, beautiful, lovely hairstyle, and easy, simple, natural short hair. Okay, now we're gonna put just some.
Die weet wel. Ja. Pas het. Oh, die mag je er nooit aan, ja. Die afval maar ook even gewoon bij.
Yeah, lovely. Okay.
Very nice, very beautiful hair, very. So I'm gonna show it to you now. See it here. Yes, you're gonna put this
Put my glasses.
So, okay, now if you see, so this is on and this is the result from the style, and we can show you for you. Okay, so I see very nice, beautiful, lovely hairstyle, and very easy, simple to wear. You see, lovely. And can I look here, a little bit here? Oh yeah, okay, let me show it to you. Just we're going from here to there, and lovely, nice, easy and simple to wear, and a little bit more to the front. Yeah, you can look at. And do you like your hairstyle?
It's lovely, thank you.
Okay, so you are happy with this? Thank you very much. And then we say bye-bye. Bye.